Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to clear search history on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to clear search history on Snapchat is important for privacy and maintaining distractions. And clearing your search history ensures that previous searches are not visible to others who may access your device or view your Snapchat account. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, so here you can enter to your profile page and then you can click settings option here. Well, by clearing your search history, you can also declutter the app and make it easier to find new searches in the future. Okay, and then scroll down until you find clear search history option and then tap on it. Okay, so now click clear option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to clear search history on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.